Hi guys, it's me, Devi. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you have seen my videos before this. Well, today I am excited to finally unbox my package from Sheglam. I ordered orang punya Hello Kitty Valentine's Day collab and they are here. I thought order the entire collection, just a few items. They're all here and I'm just gonna dump everything into this basket right here. So that's everything I got. It's only like 5 items. I tak beli semua item yang diorang ada. I just beli yang I rasa I will actually buy, guys. So let's unbox each and every item together. The first thing I got is this one. This is their Hello Kitty Jelly Almond Hydrating Primer. Comel packaging dia warna merah. Ada love gitu. Let's open this together. Ta-da! Top ada heart shapes and bows punya particle. I don't know what to call it. I'm not sure. It's just sprinkles, but it's the shape of hearts and bows. There's Hello Kitty on the cap. Okay, I think this is gonna be like the hydrating primer macam yang warna hijau tu. Because dia macam gel. Oh, benda tu yang sprinkles tu dia akan pecah when you pump out. Yang jadi macam biji-biji kecil-kecil. And when you blend onto your skin, sprinkles tu akan dissolve and absorb. It's like a Hydra grip punya type of primer. That's why I said it's probably gonna be like similar to this one. And I rasa dia punya texture lebih kurang sama. So yeah, it's kind of sticky and it will make your foundation lekat dekat kulit back. This is the second biggest one. Hello Kitty Sheglam Cupid Cutie Powder Puff. So it's the powder puff. Hello Kitty shape powder puff. Kita ni ada dua. This is so cute. One is a heart shape. Set your under eyes. This is gonna be perfect for that. And the other one, Hello Kitty. Comelnya. This is to set your entire face. This one, this is the Hello Kitty Sheglam True Love Dewy Multi-Use Balm. Cuma this one is the dewy one. I'm not sure yang lama tu dewy or not. I bought this one sebab dia warna pink. This is how it looks like. Hello Kitty punya mata macam tu. That is the color. Such a pretty pink color. So ada lagi dua je item yang tinggal. This one is the Hello Kitty Sheglam 3D Kiss Lip Balm. You know the trend where you gantung keychain lip balm dekat bag. This is dia ada keychain so you can hang on your bag. This is more practical sebab you don't have to take out the entire keychain. You just remove it from the bag macam ni to use. But that's how it looks like. Ada heart kat tengah tu, so I guess you can mix the color and create like a sheer red lip balm. Wait, I'm gonna show you guys my bag. You will see Hello Kitty bag. I got the kitty charm there. And let's put this thing right here. Comel! Last but not least is this one, the Hello Kitty Sheglam Be My Baby Hydrating Lipstick. I make color just a crush. 1, 2, 3, ta-da! So cute. I saw somebody took off the ring and you can actually put it on your finger. Oh, cantik. I'm Hello Kitty lipstick. Well, this one packaging ni macam nampak cheap sikit. Macam makeup kadang RM2. How it looks like inside. Dia ada heart kat tengah tu. So yeah, these are all the items I got from this collection. I have collected like a few of Sanrio punya makeup collab with other brands as well. So I have like this whole bag. Let me show you. Wait a second. Let me show you my bag of Hello Kitty makeup collection. I did Pixie. Yang ni macam Indonesian brand is something. That's the colors inside, so cute. My Melody Chromie white and white highlighter. This one is their eyeshadow palettes. And this one is also from Pixie. As this one with the pink bag. These are their lip tints. It's a blush, cream blush. Cream blush also daripada Sheglam. This is from their previous collection yang Coastal Santo. So cute! This one is a keychain gloss. So I got two. These are from Catty Doll, a Thai brand. This is their blusher. It's a really nice deep color. This is the highlighter. Come with a brush like this. And this one, I really like this one. I really like the brush. The brush actually. So it just when you watching alang tadi dia tunjuk semua. I still have the ring. This is my pride and joy. My Hello Kitty, my Sanrio makeup collection. I love them to death. And yeah, I will talk to you guys soon. Bye guys. Bye bye. See you in my next video.